আজকে 18 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2025, 18th February 2025. There is a big snowstorm in Ontario province and Quebec. So yesterday I was in Montreal. It's 200 kilometers from here, and today I am in Ottawa because I have a business in here. So I want to show you how look like snow after storm. The road is all clear, city clean the road, and footpath also almost the clean. People no problem to walk, or they can use the public bus, but city is very big pile up of snow. Now this is a curling street. My store is here. My business name is Shikda Trading. I have a trading cart. On the camera you can see Shikda Trading. This is Shikda Trading on the side. So I have a trading cart, all baseball, basketball, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, Naruto, soccer, American football, all kinds of trading card. I have a business. So this is the Ottawa now. You can see the road. It look like I am driving on the drain, because both side of the street they pile up the snow, and it is look like a dry river. There is no water on the river, but there is a bank of the river, and you are walking or you are driving. So on the roadside, both side is a big pile up of snow. The smoke is visible because in the whole time the smoke they are not able to melt with the air. Sometime on the sky also you will see when flight go, there is a big row of smoke, because on the high altitude, like in any place of the world, 3,500,000 feet altitude is there is always minus 40, minus 50, is like that. So here is showing minus 12. So that's why all smoke is visible. They cannot melt with the air. Oh, okay. Now I am heading 417 east. Same way I am going my apartment. I came here after 2 days. Sunday, Monday I keep close my store, and Sunday, Monday I live in Montreal, and other 5 days I live in Ottawa here. So today is a little bit more car. Another day I do another video. There is no car because the storm is starting. So people careful. But today a lot of car, because people can excuse one day for the storm, but not every day. So yesterday a lot of people there don't go to the work because it's a big storm, but today all the people they join their office. So that's why a little bit car we are seeing on the street. So this is 417 highway east I am going. I will take exit on Rochester, then I will go local, then I will cross the bridge, I will go the Quebec province. Now I am in Ontario province, Ottawa, capital city of Canada. So it's nice, look nice today also. Night time driving. To go home I need almost 15 to 19 minutes. There's no traffic, everything clear. Otherwise sometimes it will take a little bit longer. So on the roadside, highway side, snow is becoming little bit black because of the smoke of the car. But in the local, I think it's still you can see white. Yesterday was like a milk white. So in this country, people use as an example for white as a snow. In our country, Bangladesh, people use example for white as a milk. So milk and snow both are white. Because in our country there is no snow, so you cannot use that example for white. I don't know any other country, those who don't have a snow, what they use for their white example. So now I am in local. Above my head is highway. This is Raymond. I'm crossing the Raymond Street. And this in the roadside is still snow is pile up because city is starting already for cleaning. They will take out all. They will clean all. They have a big truck, big bulldozer, big snow cleaning machine. Very well equipped, Canada. It's very well equipped. See, it's all snow. All snow. The kids, they play with the snow in the daytime. Lot of car is still under the snow. Some car they remove from the snow. See, big pile of snow, very big. And there is an accident, I think, in front of me because police car is flashing there. I don't know what happened. Police is here. Oh, one car is already upside down. See, in front of me. So this car is I know how it's possible. How is possible? I don't know. See, is it this car? Oh. If you make an accident, you don't need to worry. Police will come very quickly to help you. But it's better not to make an accident. I don't want any help like that. So another police car, they block the road and the police walking. He's going there, and he blocked the road. Then they can work freely without disturbance. See, this way they will block the road. They block completely. Why is it not going? Why is it not going? So they block the road. Sorry. I don't know what happened. I'm sneezing today a little bit because of cold or something, allergic thing. I'm going down, so it's very slippery here. That's why I'm going a little bit slow. It's very down here. If you are a driver, always be patient. Don't do speeding, because car actually is very necessary thing for our life here, and it's dangerous also. So it's better to not to speed and anything. He's a desperate driver. I'm going a little bit slow because it's slippery, but he giving me hard that I'm slow. Because the road condition is not very good here. Because of this kind of driver, they got accident. They don't have any passion for 1 minute 30 seconds. It's nothing emergency here. If you have emergency, you can call 911. They will take care. If you have to go somewhere early, you can come a little bit early. When you are in the road, if you do the rush, it's not good. Oh, this is our metro station here. All snow and snow and snow and snow. And because of this kind of snow, yesterday or maybe day before yesterday in Toronto Pearson Airport, there's a one Delta Airlines flight is completely upside down because runway was completely full of snow. So when the flight landed, he do the crash landing, I think, and total aircraft is became upside down, but it's in the grace of God that all people is survive. Nothing normally nobody survive in that kind of condition. There is I saw in the fire also in his landing. Is very exactly in front of me. The lighting is a Parliament building of Canada, and I am going slightly left. I am crossing one bridge. Then I am going to Quebec province. This is the Quebec. It's called Gatineau. Hull as a city name. Gatineau is all government office, federal government office. All. Some office they are working 24/7 because they have to control all over the world, all the call center support for anything happen, because all over the world some places sun rising, some places sun setting, some places is daytime, some places early in the morning, like that all over the world. So they have all foreign office all over the world, so some people have to work 24/7 to support them. Like here is Sunday close. In our country Bangladesh is here is Sunday close, but in our country Bangladesh is Friday close. So like that, so they have to work anyway. This is a tunnel. Above the tunnel all the office, government federal office. It's a very nice area here. This is Quebec area. A lot of people live in Quebec and they work in Ottawa, because in Quebec area apartment is little bit cheaper and Ottawa is little bit higher price. Here is example, one bedroom apartment is almost 1,500, and Ottawa side one bedroom apartment is almost starting 2,000. It's very expensive. So anyway, we have to survive. I came today from Montreal very early in the morning. I woke up at 5 o'clock. I start my journey at 5:45. I arrive here 8:30. My store opening hour is 9 o'clock. So at least I arrive. Road condition was good and bad, both, because there is a lot of black ice under the snow. So you have to be careful. Drive is 100 kilometers. You have to keep gap from the front car and your car. If you have to do emergency hard brake to save yourself. So lot of black ice. See, in front of me there is one truck and they are carrying snow, and they are going outside of the city and they are dumping there. The whole night they will work. See, truck is going in front of me, after two cars in front of me. If I able to go little bit nearby, you can see more clear. This car is signaling. is the snow truck. I cannot drive more than that. There is a speeding ticket. Camera is here, so I don't want to. Yeah, here is the snow truck. That's it. Going to take the gas because I need a gas. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching my video.